Hey guys, as you can see, my birds, the 2013 young bird team. I got about 40 or 50, no wait, 50 birds total this year. So they won't leave me alone. Tonight's gonna be the first night they get. Most of them, well, half of them gonna get shipped. The first race, and the other half in 2 weeks' time when I think they're ready. But as you can see how hungry they are, they're going all out on my feet. They're not scared of me either, so which is good. They're the young birds. Now the older birds are gonna jump on and beat it up. This bird is one of the last rounds we bred out of. I think 490. I think they're from our Hubin pair. What's up, buddy? Really young. I think they're 2.5 months old. They're already getting trained, so they've been flying more than an hour, so loft flying. So we thought it was time for them to get some training. They're scared of the camera. I haven't put the camera in here for a while. I'm just sitting here relaxing. This pigeon is from our tourneur that we got from Khan's loft. Which goddamn thing is so shy, like you can't even go close to it. Nothing like our own bird. And this is my birds. Van Loons, they don't give a damn. They're so friendly. Alright guys, that's an update. Enjoy.